Hello friends, this is your Canvas Academy. Myself Swarpana. Again I am in front of you with a numerical session. In this session I will solve some wonderful problem. So without any delay, let's jump in. This is a vector and this is another vector b. The magnitude of b and a are equal, and b, the magnitude of b and a are equal. That means they are two vectors of equal magnitude. Then their resultant will be this diagonal will be this diagonal, which is a plus b represented by this diagonal, completing the parallelogram. This diagonal is a plus b and this diagonal is a difference b, starting from b or starting from the head of the second vector towards the head of the first vector is a difference b. This diagonal is a difference b and this diagonal is a plus b, and we also calculate that this diagonal, the magnitude of this diagonal, that is the a plus b, magnitude of a plus b is equal to root 2a cos theta by 2, and this, the magnitude of this diagonal, that means the difference of a, the magnitude of difference of a and b vectors is equal to 2a sin theta by 2. This was, guys, and let's number one. The first question is, if magnitude of resultant of two vectors of equal magnitude is equal to 3 times of their magnitude, to find the angle between them. That means if the magnitude of resultant of two vectors of equal magnitude, that means there is two vectors of equal magnitude, that means these vectors have their magnitude same. So vectors of equal magnitude, their resultant, if their resultant is root 3 times of their individual magnitude, then we have to find the angle between them. That means a plus b, the magnitude of a plus b is equal to root 3 times of a. According to this question, number one, according to these questions, the magnitude of a plus b is equal to root 3 times of a. The magnitude of a plus b is equal to 2a cos theta by 2. 2a cos theta by 2 is equal to root 3a. A cancel. That means cos theta by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2. That means theta by 2 is equal to 30 degree. Root 3 by 2 cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. So theta is equal to 60 degree. That means the angle between the two vectors is 60 degree. the two vectors A and B having equal magnitude, that is A is equal to B, and they are A plus B is this A plus B, this is root 3 A, and the angle between them is 60 degree. 60 degree. Let's please take a screenshot. I am going to erase it. Then number 2, what it asks, if resultant of two vectors of equal magnitude is equal to their individual magnitude, find the angle between them. If the resultant of two vectors of equal magnitude is equal to their individual magnitude, find the angle between them. That means two vectors of equal magnitude and their resultant also equal to the individual magnitude of the individual vectors. That means there is a vector A and vector B. The magnitude of both the vector is same. Then they are, let's say this is A plus B, this is A, the magnitude of A and B, let's say this is A. That means we have to find the angle between the vector, like this. A plus B is equal to 2A cos theta. 2A cos theta by 2 is equal to A. If for A, then cos theta by 2 is equal to half, So cos half, that is theta by 2 is equal to 60 degree. Cos theta half, cos 60, cos theta is equal to half, that means theta by 2 is equal to 60 degree. Theta is equal to 120 degree. That means the angle between two vector is 120 degree. Then another, let's see, number 3, the magnitude of difference of two vector of equal magnitude is equal to their individual magnitude. So then find the angle between them. That means the magnitude of difference of two vectors of equal magnitude. That means the vectors are equal in magnitude and their difference vector, that means A difference B, magnitude of A difference B is equal to their individual magnitude, That means let this is A vector and equal vector is, so this, let's complete the parallelogram. This vector is the A difference B. The A difference B is, 2A sin theta by 2. This is A difference B. The individual vector, that A difference B, the magnitude of A difference B is equal to A. 2A sin theta by 2 is equal to A. That means sin theta by 2 is equal to half. So theta by 2 is equal to 30 degree. Theta is equal to 60 degree. That means theta is 60 degree. So next, number 4. Take a screenshot. I am going to erase it. So take a screenshot. Number 4. The magnitude of difference of two vectors of equal magnitude is equal to root 3 times of their individual magnitude. To find angle between them. The magnitude of difference of two vectors of equal magnitude is equal to root 3 times of their individual magnitude. That means these are also two equal vectors, two vectors of equal magnitude, and their difference, their magnitude of difference vector is equal to root 3 times of the individual vector. That means difference vector is root 3 times of the individual vector. This is a vector and another A. This is this vector. Both A, magnitude of A equal to magnitude of B. Then complete the parallelogram. This is A difference B, starting from B towards the head of A. This is A difference B. This is 2A sine theta by 2. So according to the question, A difference B is equal to root 3 time of a individual magnitude of a individual vector, individual magnitude of a vector. That is 2A sine theta by 2 is equal to root 3 A. Both sides will cancel A. So sine theta by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2. That is theta by 2 is equal to 60 degree. That is theta is equal to 120 degree. Theta is equal to 120 degree. Theta is angle between the two vector A and B. Theta is 120 degree. Another vector and this is number 5. The magnitude of resultant of two vectors of equal magnitude is root 2 times of their individual magnitude to find the angle between them. That means there is also two equal vectors. The magnitude of resultant of two vectors. Resultant of two vectors, that means A plus B. The magnitude of A plus B is equal to the root 2 times of the magnitude of the individual magnitude of the vector. That means let this is A vector and this is B vector. The magnitude are equal. This is A plus B vector according to the parallelogram laws. Law of vector addition. According to the parallelogram law of vector addition, this is A plus B, A plus B. Completing the parallelogram, we find that this is A plus B. So this is 2A cos theta by 2. So according to the question, magnitude of sum of A plus B is equal to root 2 times of A or B. These are two equal vectors. So this is 2A cos theta by 2 is equal to root 2A. A cancel. So cos 60 cos theta by 2 is equal to root 2 by 2. That is your cos theta by 2, root 1 by root 2. and theta y2 is equal to 45 degree. That is equal to theta equal to 90 degree. The angle between the two vector is 90 degree. Our answer is 90 degree. So guys, for today this much. Actually guys, if we want to solve this type of problem in our mind, so we have to remember our three important parallelogram which I have already discussed in my previous video. Click the I button and see. Thank you for watching guys. Bye.